If you could just revise once again, that would be better.
Okay. In this session, I'll explain what we discussed till now in the regular expressions in detail. Not briefly, I'm going to explain. In detail, I'm going to explain what we discussed regular expression, because we are left with only pumping lemma and equivalence classes. Pumping lemma and equivalence classes will take only one session. So that I'll take on Monday, because tomorrow and the day after tomorrow, we don't have any classes, right? For flat subject. We will not get the class in this week. So we will get the class on Monday. Though I complete on Monday, I'll complete on or before 3 or 4 days before your exam itself. So I want to revise the regular expression, because some of you are asking, some of you are having some confusions on this regular expression. So I'm going to explain in detail, and how to convert finite automata to regular expression using Arden's lemma also I did not cover. That also I covered in this session. I'm going to cover in this session. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Please respond, ma. If you don't listen to the classes carefully, you cannot attempt the exam flat subject, because flat subject is very easy if you understand. Okay, don't miss the classes. Listen carefully. Though you did not listen the entire module in the previous 2 or 3 sessions, if you listen today's session, it will be highly benefit for you. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
I'm going to start. So please respond to the sessions, then I can understand that you are following. జాగ్రత్తగా వినండి ఇప్పుడు. What is regular expression? First I'll explain. Regular expression means, and close it. I think all of you have joined the session, right? Join అయ్యారు కదమ్మా అందరూ సెషన్ లో.
Ma'am, only 34 now.
Only 34 ఉన్నారు. ఓకే, సేమ్ ఈ సెషన్ లింక్ ఒకసారి గ్రూప్ లో పేస్ట్ చేయండి అమ్మా. ఇంకెవరైనా పెట్టుకుంటే జాయిన్ అయిపోతారు ఇమీడియట్ గా. ఓకే, పేస్ట్ చేసి ప్లీజ్ జాయిన్ అని పెట్టండి. ఐఎమ్ స్టార్టింగ్. వాట్ ఈస్ ద రెగ్యులర్ ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్? Once more time I'm repeating, ma. Regular expression means, regular expression is a pattern which generates a set of strings that are accepted by finite automata. Finite automata ద్వారా accept చేయబడే ప్రతి స్ట్రింగ్ ప్యాటర్న్ ని మనం రెగ్యులర్ ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్ అని చెప్పి పిలుస్తాం. రెగ్యులర్ ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్ మీన్స్ which is a pattern that generates set of strings accepted by the finite automata is known as the regular expression. In this regular expressions, we are having only 3 operators. Okay, those are known as the regular operators. Those 3 operators are star, first concatenation, star, after that concatenation and union. Star, concatenation and union. మీరు ఏ రెగ్యులర్ ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్ తీసుకున్నా ఈ మూడే ఉంటాయి మీకు ఆపరేటర్స్. Star stands for clean closure, which means 1 or 0 or more occurrences, which is concatenation. Another one is union. Clean closure, concatenation and union. This is nothing but the regular operators. Regular expression is a pattern which generates a set of strings that are accepted by the finite automata, and the operators we are going to use in this regular expressions are 3 operators: clean closure, concatenation and union. And if you come to the precedence order, the highest precedence will go to star, and then the concatenation, and then the union. This is the precedence order of identity rules. What are identity rules? I'll just briefly here. R star whole star, which is equals to R star only. R star plus epsilon is equal. R star plus R, which is equals to R, which union epsilon, which will give you R star. Okay. Next, R star concatenation R star concatenation star, which is equals to R star only. R2 whole star R1 as